Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Next, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and you got about s to the power of 3 minus 1. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So first derivative of u square, you got about 2u du. First derivative of s to the power of 3, you got about 3s squared ds. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. S squared ds we change by this one. U multiplied by u, you got about u squared. The integration of u squared in here, you got about u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. So number 3, you got about 9. And about u, we change by this one. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the second one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the root, and you got about s to the power of 4 plus 1. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides. You got about 3u squared du. First derivative of s to the power of 4, you got about 4s to the power of 3 ds. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. About this one, we change by u. S to the power of 3 ds, we change by 3u squared over number 4. So I will put 3 over 4 go outside. U square multiplied by u, you got about u to the power of 3. The integration of this one, you got about u to the power of 4 over 4, and we put about c. Number 4, you got about 3 over 16. About u, we need to change into this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.